Hello and welcome to my trippy room. I will now show it to you in more detail, and after I will give you some tips on how to make your own room really cozy and trippy, so just keep watching, or if you want to skip to that part you can look in the description for timestamps. So here you could see my workstation where I edit my videos, and on the other side of the door I have a clothing rack and a dresser with a lot of things on top. On the ceiling I hung a dream catcher and my cute little bunny, which I also attach to my outfit when I go to festivals. If you want to see that, I can link my trippy festival outfit video here for you. On this wall I hung a mirror, which you can see from my bed. I put stickers on it and I hung my trippy poster. This poster is so cool, I love the colors, and sometimes when you're tripping the whole thing is moving and it looks like it has two layers. I also got some plants here, like basically everywhere, and in one of them I put some fairy lights which look so cute. Here I have even more photos and drawings and my Bob Marley poster. And on this wall I have my vision board, which I created to manifest all my dreams this year. If you want to know how to make one, I can link the video here as well for you. And here I have some cute cat pictures. Meow. On my bed I have a lot of stuffed animals and some pillows. When you lie down you can see this beautiful tapestry which I hung on the ceiling, and some fairy lights behind. So beautiful and calming to watch. Behind my bed I hung another tapestry with some fairy lights behind as well. Next to my bed I have this little bedside table, and on the fairy lights I hung a lot of Polaroids and my festival bands. So now I'm gonna give you some tips on how to make your own room really cozy and trippy, of course. And my first tip is to display your things, don't hide them. If you got beautiful jewelry, for example, you can hang it on the wall. Or those sunglasses that you're not wearing, they're probably looking really cool, that's why you got them, so don't store them in a box. Here you can see all the things which I used to decorate my dresser. I put some candle holders on it, and of course some plants. Then I put some books which look beautiful on the wall, and on top of one of them I put these little patches which you can sew onto clothes. I also used some small boxes and a bracelet, my incense holder and the packages of the incense, because I thought they're beautiful, some nail polish, a hand lotion, my vitamin D drops and a lot of small stones. I also have this little pet snake and another plant which looks really trippy. Here I got another bracelet and a necklace, and on my workstation / shelf I have my Polaroid camera, which looks cool I think. Here I have some notebooks and my Kindle, and over here I have an old skateboard. So as you see, really anything works as long as you think it looks good. Just put it in your room and enjoy the view. Other things you can display are artworks, of course. This one was made by my friend, and this one my sister made for me. It's so beautiful. Over here I have this box, which is really beautiful. And on my bed I have all my stuffed animals. So if you got them, don't be shy. I think it's really cute to have a lot of them on your bed, or even if you just got one, don't hide it. And I also really like to display my clothes. On this one side I have all my colorful clothes. I really like to have a lot of colors in my room. And also having clothing racks really opens up the space. My second tip for you is to get plants. When I say plants, I mean a lot of them. Especially in winter when there's no green outside, it will make you feel really good. And also when you're planning on tripping inside your trippy room, you will get some good energy if you have a little bit of nature around. I got most of my plants on eBay, because in Germany people can resell their things on there, so if there's any place where people are reselling things, you might get them really cheap. And my third tip is to hang up pictures, and when I say pictures, I mean a lot of pictures. I really think it makes my room so cozy, and I love to have art and memories and a lot of colors around me. Also, it's so easy to do. Really anyone can print out pictures or just get a magazine and cut out the things that look cool to you. This is definitely one of the most simple and the cheapest ways to make your room feel like home. With that, you could also easily create a color scheme. You don't have to be crazy like me and have all the colors around you. So pick your favorites or pick some colors that go well together. For example, gold and like green or earthy tones, and then just choose pictures that fit into this scheme or theme, et voila! My fourth tip for you to feel really comfy in your space is by using a lot of fabric. You can do this by placing carpets on your floor. By using clothing racks, you will also have more fabric around you. And of course by hanging tapestries. Favorite is the one on the ceiling. I love watching it, especially when I turn on the fairy lights behind. And that is actually my next tip as well. One of the main things I do to make my room feel really cozy is to use fairy lights. And when I say that, I mean a lot of them. I literally put them everywhere on my plants, my vision board, in these little lamps that were made for candles. And when I turn them on, it makes me really happy. That's why I'm dancing around. Woohoo! It just makes such a big difference in the atmosphere as soon as they're turned on. I even do it as soon as I wake up during the day, because it just makes me really happy, as you can maybe tell. And it's also perfect in winter when there's not that much light coming in from outside, but it's okay, because we have fairy lights. You can also use other lights like this galaxy light. It will make your room extra trippy. And of course you can also use candles to make everything even more cozy. That was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment if you liked it. I would really appreciate that. And follow me on Instagram if you like. I hope to see you in my next video. Until then, bye bye and